What is going on, everybody? Hopefully you can all hear me out there. We are going kind of micless there. We're not using our lab mics. Got a little frustrated with those, but thank you for joining me. This is another edition of Cook It Up Live. We got Jared over here.
Hey, how are you?
Hi, Jared. So we got an awesome dish, one of our fan favorites we're cooking up tonight. It is Parmesan chicken. Jared and I are going to show you how that's done. We have lots of awesome announcements down the internet. But so again, lots of cool events towards the end of the month. I hope you guys join me for them. We're actually doing we're sponsoring a 5K run over at Grace Community Church. That's going to be an awesome event as well. So Jafco, Trainer Space, Children's Garden, and the 5K run. Lots of things just in September. So very, very cool. Busy end of the month. So also, if you guys want more information, obviously about Farm Fresh Meals, about my health coaching service, please hit me up anytime. The number is 223-1600, and I'm happy to help you at least get in that free 30-minute consultation, which you can find at the bottom of the website there. What else? Lots of changes to our website too. We're doing lots of cool, fun changes to the website. Getting more information on our website, cleaning it up a little, so look for that in the next couple of weeks or so. Cool? Alright, ready to go?
Who does that phone number go to?
That goes to everybody.
Goes to everybody?
Goes to, yeah, no, there's a couple different extensions that you can get. You can get me, you can get Dana, you can listen to music, I guess.
I try to direct most people to Dana just to make their life more difficult.
Perfect, and make my life a little less hectic. Thanks. Yeah. Hopefully we're live. We're live.
It says we're live.
You see Farm Fresh Meals?
I do.
Alright, let's try it again. Trying this round 3. Hopefully you guys got the first part of it. Lots of events going on. Towards the end of September here. Lots of fun things that you guys should join me on. The 5K run, Jafco spin event, Trainer Space, what was the last one I forgot? And Delray Beach Children's Garden. All fun events that I'll be a part of, so I hope you guys can join me on all of them, if not some of them. So let's get to it. So Jared over there has breaded our chicken. You guys can see that. Bam. And we're going to get our pan hot here. You know, if it's not our mics, it's got to be something else, right? Something's got to go wrong.
I don't know what it is.
It's all good.
It's my iPad, I don't know.
Maybe, no. Well, we're using our iPad. So we're getting this nice and hot. You guys can see. Hopefully things are streaming alright by this point. Get a little oil in there. Make sure this is really nice and hot. Maybe a touch more oil.
Yeah, a good healthy amount usually helps.
Good healthy amount of oil. Alright.
For this.
That's gonna take a minute or two to get hot. I'll show you guys just a quick sear on this. And then we're going to put it right in the oven. And then we're actually going to show you how we make some of our marinara sauce. Right?
Yeah.
Alright. So hopefully this is getting hot. Hopefully you guys can see us. Hopefully you guys can hear us. And then we're going to show. Alright?
So far, so good.
So far, so good. So we're back on. Back on. Hopefully Andrea, Lori, and Cindy, you guys can give us a thumbs up that we are back on. I see you guys now. Okay? Give us another minute. Show you guys how this is done over here. We are back. We are back. All right. So, shake off the excess breadcrumbs. Hope this is hot.
Oh
You
yeah.
hear that sizzling? That's a good thing. You don't want to put cold food into a cold pan. No bueno. All right. Let's see this right here. Touch more olive oil. All right. We're good over there?
I think so.
All right, I think we're good. Hopefully you guys can see that. Nice seared chicken. What else going on, Jared? Busy week, right?
Oh yeah.
Really busy.
You passed our fire inspection. That was nice.
That's good. We had a fire inspection. We had a fire inspection, what, a couple days ago? Yesterday?
It was yesterday. It seemed like
We passed. And we had our health inspection, and what did they say? What did the health inspector say about our facility?
It's extremely clean.
He said it was one of the cleanest kitchens he's ever been in. So that's quite a compliment for both Jared and myself that, you know, our facility, we keep it top notch. It was, I like hearing that stuff.
I love it.
Yeah, that we're doing a good job over here. So from the health inspector that things are going very well. So.
Then we talked about the Dolphins.
Then you guys talked about the Dolphins. I know, what a game that was. Hopefully you guys watched the Dolphin game. We went to the Dolphin game last Sunday. That was fun. The whole plan, we stayed till right about halftime where the first delay came about, and then we took off. You know, if you guys are diehards and stayed for the longest game in history, power to you guys. So that was kind of cool. Let's give this guy a flip. I'll show you guys. Little color, just like so. Audio, Diego, can you hear me? Hopefully you can hear me.
I'll give you the Sizzler sweater.
Yeah, got that. How did we bread it? Audio is good. Diego, turn up the volume. Perfect. You tell him, Cindy. We're having some frustrations over here. We don't need Diego chiming in. All right. So. Little quick sear over there. Bring you back to me. Hopefully what happens is, since we don't have our little mics here, all of our devices are using their own internal mics to pick up the sound. So it's kind of cool. In fact, it might even work out better because you're hearing sound from all over the place. So hopefully that's the idea, and hopefully it works that way. Frozen again, oh my gosh.
Yeah, you're back on though.
We're back on? I don't know, Lori just said we're frozen. We're gonna stick that chicken right into the oven right here, about 350 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes or so. That's all you need since we seared it first. And plus, since Jared butterflied it, it's gonna cook in about half the time because it's half the thickness. Cool? Yes on now. Perfect. Bad connection. I don't know what we gotta do. Maybe we gotta up our internet. We have like a high internet. I don't know.
Yeah, for Wi-Fi, I don't think your system's ideal for.
Alright, it is what it is. We'll do what we can to fix it. I'm not gonna huff and puff over it.
Oh no. It's fixable.
we got other challenges over here.
It's fixable.
Alright. So we are going to make our sauce for you. Hopefully you guys can see it. Weird echo. Well, we got a lot going on. So instead of picking up our personal mics, the mics are again coming from all the devices. Maybe I can shut off, 1 second. Let's see if I can shut off one of the mics. No, I don't think so. So we'll just deal with it. Okay. All right. Little olive oil. Okay. Get our pan nice and hot. As you can see, we did the chicken first, so in the time that chicken is finished cooking, we're going to make our sauce. So everything that we do here has some efficiency to it, some way or another. So just to give you an idea, that's how you should be cooking at home. All right. Hopefully you guys, we good over there? You checked? Still alive? I'm not talking to myself. We're going in and out. You know what? Maybe we'll take this one off. How about that?
Yeah, maybe.
We'll take this one off and just have the two cameras And maybe that works better. All right, so we're gonna throw some onions in here. About half an onion. Get that stirred up a little bit. More olive oil. We're interrupted. I see it back on now. It's frozen over there. Going back and forth. Maybe they can just hear the sizzle and know what we're doing.
I don't know. It could be because it's one of our best dishes.
Because it's our most popular dish, it's going to interrupt it. So are we not live?
Well, you know, it's popping in and out every
Frozen? Anybody else? Alright. Well, if you can hear me, throw in some garlic into those sauteed onions. Do we make our own breading to coat? So the man over there, all we do is a gluten-free panko breadcrumb and Parmesan cheese, and that's it. You'll find, Julissa, that most of our stuff, and you've had our stuff for months and months and months, we keep it very simple, very fresh, very clean, and it always comes out right to do that. If you kind of have those as your backbone, you can't go wrong. So hopefully we're live and still going. Some garlic in there, some sauteed onion. I'm going to add 3 different kinds of tomatoes. Hopefully you guys can see that. Waiting for the camera to catch up. Yeah, the camera's pretty slow. So we're gonna add some crushed tomatoes, some tomato sauce, and some plum tomatoes right in here.